Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about form extensions. So first I wanted to show you where it is located exactly. Okay, we have to just click on this application explorer. As I have already told you, in AOT we will be having two views, that is one is a classic view and other one is a model view. So here, see, if we can see here user interface, here we'll be finding the forms like whatever we require. So these are all the forms, so you can extend like whatever you need, or you can just click here and we can select. I'll show you. For example, if it is a cast table, okay, so just click on enter. You will be finding with that name, whatever table we have, whatever form we have, that will be displayed here. Let's see. Yeah, now we will be able to see the name, like whatever it is matching with the custable name, so that will be finding here in tables. If it is a custable, see here, the whatever, we have type custable, right? So whatever that is matched here, that will be displayed. So that will, whatever that is matched with this name, so that will be displayed here in this below. So after that, we can check, okay, if you want only the form that should be visible to us, not with the base enum or extended data type, that is a matching one. So we can just only, if you want to see only the form for this, for the castable form, so how can we view this? I'll show you. See here, we have to write in this way, like castable type is form. So at that time you will be only see the forms that is associated with this name castable. So we can directly click here and create an extension. For example, if we need the table, for the same, if we need the table, same like in the place of form, just you create you write it as table, that's it. So whatever the tables that is associated with this name cast table, you will be able to see here. So we'll just go back and click on form only, form. So now if we want to create a extension, just click on this cast table, right click, and you will be finding create extension. So now this is disabled, so I'll tell you why this is disabled. Because in my model I have not updated my model parameters to this, this. So so right click and click on create extension. So we see we have a create extension in new project, but we don't have a create extension here because the create extension is disabled. If we click on this also, we will, we can't do anything, we can't extend the form. So whatever, not only the form, we can't extend any of the like table or base enum or whatever. So the reason of this is, so the application suite is not in our model. So if it is not in our model, we have to update the model parameters. I have already told you in the previous session. So if we want to enable this create extension, things, we have to update the model parameters accordingly. So if it is, I mean, this model application suite is not in my current model, so that is the reason I'm not able to get this create extension. Okay, so after just giving the model parameters, I mean updating the model, I mean, see, we can just do it from here. I'll show you. So click on model management, so update model parameters. So if we click on this update model parameters, you will be getting, it will ask our model name first. Okay, after asking the model name, just automatically model publisher and model description and model display name, that will be automatically shown here. So after that it will ask to select. See, next step is here, you can see select left side left pane, you'll be able to see select referenced packages. So here you have to give the application suite. So after giving the application suite, just click on finish. That's it. You will be able to see the extension enabled here. Okay, I have already told you this in a previous session, so you can just go and just recollect it. Okay, so this is how we create a extension. Not only for the forms, we can just create extension for tables, edits, whatever. I'll show you. So cast table, the same, so we can just go and directly create extension. So, create extension. So for whatever table or forms or views or queries, you can just directly go and click on create extension. Okay, so these are all models I don't have, I mean I have not updated any model parameters, so that I'm not able to click on create extension. So you, if you do that, if you update it direct, you can directly go and click and create extension. Okay, thank you.